Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka khatpra trek unaitung ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women ka lapanlong ya ka lempong Jinghikai ka bagarpang ya ki tukilong kome bat ki wedi ki Kynthei ki basyong basa haki jaka sa jongki haki snong ki balong ki jaka jong kai perthai rengkar ka Jinghikai lang bat ka Airbnb Haka ni kasngi la Jinghikai ya ki Kynthei halor kumno banang ban panya ya ki jaka sa basa ni kita ki homestay kumno ban panbiang ya ki jaka sa ka bam ka di bat khamtam kumno ban panya dai bat ki nong jong kai perthai haba ki poi shaki snong jongki Yakani ke Jinghikai lasdang daka National Commission for Women, but hakani kanong ba silong, yakani ke lempong lapelong, Haka Hall, jong ke North Eastern Council, kabaran hapo nong Rem Hills silong.
This will be able to encourage our women folk, especially in the rural sector, to take up this program, as it will create a generation of income. Because nowadays it's very difficult to face, especially our young people. There's a big problem of employment. So this will be once we need to generate employment opportunities for our young people, especially for our young girls, who I'm sure they will take forward the programs. And as this is the first training program, probably we'll see if this is if this program is a success, we will be able to arrange more programs in other part of the state also, so that we will involve more women. As in the commission, we are always forward to empower women in the various fields, especially now that we have taken up this tourism homestay.